Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm coming live to make this announcement that we are going to have three mock exams for CA Final AFM and also three exams for Inter FM for the upcoming September 2025 examinations. Friends, these examinations are mainly planned so that you can get maximum experience before the examination itself. And trust me, friends, those of you who write these three examinations one time, even if you go wrong, you learn from your mistakes, you will actually be covering the entire subject in a very short duration of time. And trust me, that will have a very good impact in the upcoming examination. Once you write the exam, I will be coming live to discuss this mock examination for all of you. That way, you will get excellent results in the upcoming exam. So friends, do not delay. Click on the link below. Register now. I will see you there. This paper, if you want it to be generally evaluated by me, which I'll be doing it live on YouTube, it's absolutely free. But if you want it to be evaluated one-to-one with a chartered accountant, there'll be some additional charges which will be explained to you if you click on the link below. So I'll see you there, friends. Study well. All the very best.